So good day guys. I am going to show on how to add, update, and move opportunities across your sales pipeline in Zapify.io. So inside the opportunities, uh, you can add opportunities from here on the top right uh, of your screen. And from here, you can select contact, for example, then phone. Uh, okay, and then primary phone number, marketing pipeline, opportunity name. uh, you can edit what kind of pipeline it is, what stage, status, opportunity value, for example, 100,000. uh, Owner, example, followers. Okay. Business name, so you can also enter the business name from here. Opportunity source, and you can also enter the source and then hit create. Once it's successfully created, you can now close it. So now you can see it from here, the opportunity value, the name. Okay, and then uh, and then once you completely created the opportunity, you can now drag it on what status it is, right? For contacted, qualified, or the if the proposal was sent, so you can also drag it here. If you are under negotiation, you can also drag it here. Okay, so that's it.